Most people think ChatGPT is just for asking questions, but it could do way more in your day-to-day life. What if it could help you avoid scams, save money, make better life decisions, spot health risks, and know how to ask and what to ask to your doctor, and get hours of your life back in every week? In this video, I am going to show you 5 powerful ways to use ChatGPT in your everyday life, so that it can genuinely save you time, money, and stress. And trust me, the first one alone could change how you could look after your health forever. So let's start with analyzing your medical report. So first you need to attach your medical report, and definitely it could see through it. It could see through your attributes or health related matrices, and it can definitely tell you if there are any underlying risks or threats, or what questions you should ask to your doctor when you go for the checkup next. So let's do one thing. So I have attached my medical PDF report, and see, it's clearly telling me like what is going wrong. So in this case, it's uric acid which is high, and all the details, attributes it will be suggesting, and then at last it will be telling you that what to ask to your doctor in your next meet. Okay, so yes, that's the way you can make your appointment sessions with doctor more productive. You can know more things, and even if your doctor misses something, you could highlight that and you could definitely cross check on that thing. Important disclaimer: ChatGPT is not a doctor and can never replace a medical practitioner or doctor. So use ChatGPT just to understand your medical reports better and to get prepared for your upcoming doctor visit. Now the next one is your insurance policy analysis. We often get fooled by the insurance provider about the coverage, health plans, what are the diseases which are not covered, and all these sort of stuff. Be it health insurance, travel insurance, or any sort of insurance plans, we get fooled very easily. So you can use ChatGPT to better analyze your policy documents and to understand what exactly the insurance provider is providing. So let's quickly jump into the screen. So how you can do that? You can write a prompt that explain this policy in simple language, list exclusions, waiting periods, claims, conditions, hidden limitations, and situations where my claim could get rejected. And if you just add your policy document, then ChatGPT will be able to help you in order to analyze this document and to highlight all the points which you have asked. So see this, it has given a detailed summary, and it's a pretty easy to understand. You can see all the things which are excluded, which are important exclusions, okay, and all the related details. You can also use ChatGPT to avoid any fraudulent activity which could take place. So in case if you are doubtful about some personal email or about some offers or something which you don't understand, you can straight out give it to ChatGPT. I personally use it in my day-to-day life. Whenever I'm confused about some service or about some offerings, I always ask ChatGPT that based on its humongous knowledge, ChatGPT suggests me to take that thing or not. So ChatGPT can explain me in details like the pros and downs, and then I can make an informed decision. The third one can directly impact your financials in terms of investment, stock market due diligence. So you can use ChatGPT to better understand a company, its management's review calls, con calls, and the company's data, information, balance sheet to understand the positives and negatives going on with that organization. And according to that, you can make informed decision about your investment as well. So let's see in the screen that I'm giving a prompt that analyze these earning call transcripts, identify positive signals, management confidence levels, risk, red flags, future guidance, and any contradictions. And if you just provide a con call of a company, it will give you all the details in a very beautiful manner, and it can also tell you the positives and negatives about that organization so that you can make informed decisions. Please note that this is not any stock picking or stock recommendation advice. I have just randomly picked a company's con call and I have given it to ChatGPT for analysis. And see, the way can ChatGPT give the key takeaway that the near-term growth is under pressure due to delayed automotive programs and cancellations, but the management believes the company is laying foundation for stronger growth and higher margins for the next 2 to 3 years. And you can see the confidence level of the company, the major positive signals, the negative signals like the key risks and all. And finally, you can go through all these things in a very shorter way, and you can just check the investor verdict of ChatGPT, like what are the bullish or the bearish signals, and then you can take your decision whether you are going to invest in that company or not. It can be stock market, it can be any other areas, it could be mutual fund, it could be any other financial instruments, but definitely ChatGPT can help you to generate insights in a better way so that you can take a better decision in your life. You can use ChatGPT as a diet planner. We spend a lot when we try to avail these services or when we take appointment to a dietitian. But you can use ChatGPT's strong knowledge base and curate a professional, personalized diet plan for you. But please do ensure that if you have any health conditions, then it's better to go ahead with the dietitian. But if you just want to lose weight in a generic way like we want, then you can definitely take help from ChatGPT. So in screen, you can see that I have written a prompt where I have given my age, weight, height, and all the different details. And I have told ChatGPT that I want to lose 5 kgs in 2 months, and I also want some cheat days. And when you enter, you will see that ChatGPT will come up with a personalized diet plan for you, which you can definitely follow or at least review, and you can start your weight loss journey. Number 5, if you are a student and you are worried about your upcoming exam, then you can definitely use ChatGPT as your study planner, and the strategies ChatGPT can give you so that you can follow that and you can do good in your exams. Also, you can take help from ChatGPT to understand complex problems in simplified manner, or if you have big notes or lots of PDFs, you can process it with ChatGPT to give you a summarized view or easy explanations. That way, ChatGPT can greatly be useful for students for their exam preparation, studying, and for their day-to-day life. So do leverage that because it's all available at fingertips without any cost. So these are my 5 ChatGPT picks for today's video. But do remember that ChatGPT is very useful in other areas as well, like travel itinerary planner, your personal career coach, and a lot more it can offer you without any cost. So please do avail that when it's available at fingertips. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have done so, please do like, share, and subscribe. I post lots of informative videos on AI every week. So please stay tuned to carry on with the AI journey with me. Take care. Bye.